आनंद रंगनाथन
खून नहीं दे रहे थे 1962 वॉर में, ये चीनी के साथ खड़े थे विवेक श्रीवास्तव की पार्टी वाले और खून देने को तैयार नहीं थे। ये हमको समझा रहे हैं सेना का सम्मान।
All right, Anand Ranganathan. Anand Ranganathan. The foreign minister is a gaddar. He's a mukbir. Mukbir is actually a mole. Now, those are the statements that are coming from our opposition parties. You know, would you call this a new law in the middle of a war? Operation Sindoor is suspended. It's not over. These kind of statements, the demand on Twitter to ask kitne plane gir gaye, is this the right time for this questioning of the government, or do you think this could have waited for a time when the operation was formally over?
30 minutes into the debate. Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. I'll be brief because there are two other panelists who haven't had their chance yet. I can see my good friend Vivek out there as one of the panelists. And I have to say this, even though we differ on a lot of issues, I have tremendous respect for Vivek and the erudite fashion in which he expounds his views. So I thank Vivek for being on the panel. Through you, Navika, can I please ask him a question if it's possible?
Please be my guest.
Thank you. Good evening, Vivek. I have just one question to you. I have just paid you effusive compliments.
Jeez.
The question is, did I give you this compliment after the start of the debate or before the start of the debate?
No, I do not know if it is a compliment. I think it is more of a satire than a compliment. That is how I'm taking it.
Please answer the question. Did I give you the compliment after the start of the debate or before the start of the debate?
I answered you.
What is the answer?
Mistrust.
No, I mean the debate is in process. If the debate, if
Right.
the debate,
Navika, do I need to
no, it's not
to
mistrust.
explain any
I'll say
further?
yes. In the middle of the debate, you give the answer. So what?
Thank you. Now, Navika, are
No.
things clear or do I need to explain this further?
No, please explain. Please choose your path.
Right. So just as Mr. Jaishankar said, now it is a pity that Congress people science तो आती नहीं है, अंग्रेजी comprehension भी नहीं आती, तो क्या करें? Sports quota से ही तो आएंगे ना. लेकिन situation ये है, there is a difference between the start of the debate, the start of Operation Sindoor, and before the debate, before Operation Sindoor. So obviously what Mr. Jaishankar was saying was at the start of Operation Sindoor when it has already begun. It doesn't matter after the start whether you inform Pakistan after 30 seconds or 3 hours or 30 hours. You inform them after, not before the Operation Sindoor. Ye clear ho gaya? Number 2, you look at the speciousness of the remarks of Mr. Pawan Khera. मतलब नहीं एक now I did not interrupt you यार, मेरा चांस 30 मिनट्स बाद है. अगर आप कहो तो, अगर आप डरे ना हो तो मैं आपसे भी एक सवाल पूछ लूं निखिल. अगर आप में डर का माहौल ना हो तो. Navika, with your permission.
Yes, please go on.
Okay, so Mr. Nikhil, and I do it in spirit of camaraderie because you're a great friend. So you will answer in truthfulness like my good friend Vivek has. So please bear with me. I heard Mr. Pawan Khera's press conference and what he said, alleged, other than that Mukhbir hai, spy hai, ye wo chodo, wo to allegations hai. He said that India forewarned terrorists. अब लॉजिक क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं. मसूद अजहर के 10 फैमिली मेंबर्स मारे गए. अगर मसूद अजहर को पहले पता होता कि इंडिया उसके टेरर हाइडआउट पे स्ट्राइक करने वाली है तो वो क्या अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को वहां से हटाता कि नहीं हटाता? प्लीज आंसर, यस और नो.
My good friend Dr. Anand Ranganathan is missing the point that Masood Azhar is the kind of fanatic who sends his own family members as suicide bombers. He is the kind of person who lets his own family die so that he can cry around Pakistan and spend his radicalism.
He was also there in that building. Do you know that? Do you know he was also there in the building? अगर उनको पहले से पता होता तो वो खुद और अपने family member वहां से
my friend, I don't. No, okay.
Navika, will you please clarify? You have yourself confirmed. Navika, you have yourself confirmed that Masood Azhar was in that building.
What Jaishankar said.
Yes. Yes.
Nikhil, your poster.
You know, Nikhil Jain, you know.
This is the flowchart, Anand, that you needed to show.
Yes.
You are proving what we